look. Bowl and spoon all ready to go. Let's mix it fast and mix it slow. Put in flour soft and white, then some milk out of sight. Crack the eggs and drop them in. Now we're ready, let's begin. Mix, mix, mix it up. In the bowl and in the cup. Round and up and down. Stir it till it spins around. Oops, a little splash went high. Sticky batter in my eye. Chubby kitty starts to giggle. Stirring mix with whispers wiggle. Sneaky kitty takes a lick. That mix is super thick. Taste it once and nods ahead. Let's keep mixing more instead. Mix, 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 mix. Yes, yes, yes. Stir like this, stir like this. Just like this. Stir it fast, stir it slow. Big, big mix and little go. Whirl it left, swirl it right. Stir until it feels just right. Wipe the table, wash the bowl. Cleaning up is also cool. Chubby kitty hums a song, cleaning while she sings along. Now it's mixed and smells so good, just like every snack time should. Let's say bye and do a wiggle. Cooking time is full of giggles.